Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your account email, phone number, membership ID, and linked payment method so points register. Once done, enroll in any active offers or digital coupons because they multiply accrual rates. Make sure to view your current point balance and expiration dates so you prioritize earning where it counts. Act now to save time later. Open the club app or website, log in, and enable notifications so you don't miss limited time multipliers. You focus next on earning strategy. Target categories offering 2x to 5x multipliers because they yield the fastest point growth. Once you identify those, use your linked card and scan the app at checkout every time. Missing a scan loses points. Make sure to stack promotions, apply online codes, clip in-app coupons, and activate subscription perks before purchase. If buying for others, add them as household members so points pool. This consolidates rewards and speeds you to meaningful redemption. You finish by redeeming smartly. Compare gift cards, instant discounts, and premium items to pick the best value per point. Once you choose, time your redemption during site promos to capture 10% to 30% extra value and apply codes at checkout. Make sure to confirm final price and remaining balance before completing. If points are missing after a purchase, review receipts and transaction history, then submit a claim with attached proof. That single troubleshooting step resolves most discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.